Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this fraction 3 minus 3 times 3 over 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Instead of this fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator 3 minus 3 times 3 divided by denominator, which is 3. Now, in this expression, we have one parenthesis and the one division. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to go from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay? So here, first we have to do this parentheses. And inside this parentheses, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to this rule, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So first this multiplication. 3 times 3 gives us 9. So we have parentheses 3 minus 9 divided by 3. Now 3 minus 9 gives us negative 6. So we have negative 6 divided by 3. And this is equal to negative 2. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just negative 2.